You're so handsome.
Fuck you.
Fuck you! Fuck you too! Thank you, bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.
Tang
Ano
ina
na
mo.
state, putang ina mo, anyi.
In Manila? You try?
Oh, been there? Manila, not good?
Why?
Ano, I'm asking.
She's good in Manila. May ang hirap mag-English po.
Bakit?
Cebu, Cebu. Cebu
Si
Island.
Cebu. Batik Kagnaw.
Huh? What's that?
You're so handsome.
Oh, you lying. Fuck you.
Fuck you! Fuck you too! Batik Kagnaw. Now is ano to yung face.
Ah,
Batik is your face is ano tag dito circle ganon. Gwapo, pogi ganon. Oh, pinapahirapan mo kung luga ka.
Huh?
Marunong, marunong ka mag-Tagalog eh.
No. My friend teach me Tagalog. Just like little.
Like little.
You look like
Hoy ka
Cardi.
rin ah. Hoy ah. Hoy ka rin.
Ano? Pogi.
Pogi.
You, Kairi? Same.
Same like that. Ay, same like what?
Handsome pogi.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.
Tang
Ano
ina
na
mo.
state, putang ina mo, anjing.